Winchester Springs is a new community of single-family homes in Bel Air, Maryland. This captivating community features 18 home sites, each at least 2 acres in size. The community is located 10 minutes from I-95 and 10 minutes to Route 1, making commutes to surrounding areas very easy. At Winchester Springs, we are offering 10 different floor plans, and they range from about 2,000 square feet to just over 4,100 square feet. Each of the floor plans offer different elevations and the ability to customize. The model that we're featuring at Winchester Springs is the Hawthorne. It has over 3,600 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and it features an open floor plan with a 2-story family room, expansive breakfast area, large gourmet kitchen with an island and walk-in pantry. The first floor also has a dining room, living room, and a private study. Upstairs, the owner's suite features 2 walk-in closets and a private full bath. The Venetian bath offers a large walk-in shower, a freestanding bathtub, and a double vanity. What's unique about Keystone is the opportunity to take any one of our floor plans and make it your own. We have a talented design team that'll work alongside you to build your dream home, but most importantly, your forever home at Winchester Springs.